Hello everyone, welcome back to Exam Essay YouTube channel. Today is the 8th episode in the series Important Questions for GATE and Government Job, and today we'll be looking at UPSC Assistant Architect 2015 questions. So today we'll start with architecture design questions. Question is, architecture design today need not address option A, climate consideration, option B, energy efficiency, option C, stylistic affiliations, option D, user response. And the correct answer is option C, stylistic affiliations. Next question, designing responsive architectural spaces requires consideration given to option A, passive cooling system, option B, innovation in a structural system, option C, smart building systems, option D, user satisfaction. And the correct answer is option D, user satisfaction. Next question, creating architectural design proposals may not include option A, formulating an area program, option B, evolving design alternatives, option C, incorporating structure and services into finalized proposal, option D, design detail of interior furniture. And the correct answer is option D, design detail of interior furniture. Next question, the presence of irregularity in design in which regularity still prevails may be defined as option A, anomaly, option B, repetition, option C, radiation, option D, similarity. And the correct answer is anomaly. Next question, the design of public building must be judged among other things by its capacity to option A, stand apart from rest of the buildings on the street, option B, connect seamlessly to the street it is on, option C, be easily cordoned off the public, option D, have clearly demarcated entries for high officials. And the correct answer is option B, connect seamlessly to the street it is on. Next question, magenta color is a color derived from one of the following systems of color. Option A, subtractive primary colors, option B, additive primary colors, option C, radiating primary colors, option D, selective primary colors. And the correct answer is option A, subtractive primary colors. Next question, design quality indicators for the buildings may not include option A, functionality, option B, star value of architect, option C, place making quality, option D, structural stability. And the correct answer is option B, star value of architect. Next question, zero tolerance in design and production is possible today because of option A, availability of energy audit tools, option B, availability of high accurate digital metrology tools, option C, possibility of calculating quantities to many places of decimal, option D, intense professionalism in the field. And the correct answer is option B, availability of high accurate digital metrology tools. Next question, a conic section formed by intersection of right circular cone with a plane that cuts through both the axis and the surface of a cone is option A, parabola, option B, ellipse, option C, hyperbola, option D, spheroid. And the correct answer is option B, ellipse. Next question, Fatehpur Sikri Palace complex of Akbar is good example of A, clustered organization of a space, B, radial organization of a space, C, linear organization of a space, option D, centralized organization of a space. And the correct answer is option A, clustered organization of a space. Next question, which among the following is not a housing project done by architect V.V. Doshi? Option A, Aranya Community Housing Indore, option B, Township of Reliance Industries Hazira, option C, Hudco Housing Jodhpur, option D, Township of Gujarat State Fertilizer Corporation Baroda. And the correct answer is Hudco Housing Jodhpur. Next question, Extensive use of built-in furniture. Use of brick on edge instead of RCC lintel. Corbelled arches, filler slab, and the brick jalis in the buildings are characteristic features of the architecture of option A, Charles Correa, option B, Uttam Jain, option C, Laurie Baker, option D, BB Doshi. And the correct answer is option C, Laurie Baker. Human beings have binocular vision that covers about option A 80 degrees, option B 100 degrees, option C 140 degrees, option D 170 degrees. And the correct answer is option C 140 degrees. Next question. The primary factors for perception of depth are option A convergence, accommodation and disparity due to binocular parallax. Option B cognition, gestalt and mass. Option C density, volume and length. Option D density, volume and height. And the correct answer is option A convergence, accommodation and disparity due to binocular parallax. Next question. A square standing on its edge appears option A smaller than one lying on its side. Option B distorted at the one lying on its side. Option C bigger than the one lying on its side. Option D smaller and distorted than one lying on its side. And the correct answer is option C bigger than one lying on its side. Next question. The sensitivity to the slightest stimulus differences is psychologically termed as option A perpetual change, option B sensory modulation, option C pregnance of corresponding perception, option D perceptual constancy. And the correct answer is option C pregnance of corresponding perception. Next question. The external circumstances that can influence the mode of appearance of colors are option A light, texture and position, option B form, proportion, scale and mass, option C texture, form, gestalt and position in the field, option D form, proportion, scale and texture. And the correct answer is option C texture, form, gestalt and position in the field. Next question. According to Munsell, three colors attributes are option A light, dark and neutral, option B hue, value and chroma, option C warm, cold and temperate, option D tone, shade and tint. And the correct answer is option B hue, value and chroma. Next question. Periodic repetition of similar but not identical movements is called option A balance, option B continuity, option C rhythm, option D similarity. And the correct answer is option C rhythm. Next question. In which city are Petronas Towers situated? Option A New York, option B Tokyo, option C Kuala Lumpur, option D Dubai. And the correct answer is option C Kuala Lumpur. Next question. Site's philosophy is based on the option A ecological content of architecture, option B sociological and psychological content of architecture, option C environment and economical content of architecture. Next question. In residential buildings, dados can be provided in option A toilets, option B kitchens, option C staircases, option D any space where there is need to protect the wall surface. And the correct answer is option D any space where there is need to protect the wall surface. Next question. Consider the following statement. Statement 1 less is more, statement 2 less is more, statement 3 form follows function, statement 4 ornamentation is crime. Based on above, which of these statements describe modernism? Option A 1 and 3 only, option B 1, 3 and 4 only, option C 2, 3 and 4 only, and option D 1 and 4 only. And the correct answer is option C 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe for next part. We will release part 2 of this series soon. Thank you.